Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Cast Iron. Today we're going to be making corn fritters with pancake mix. We're going to actually be specifically making it out of, what is that called? It's called Bisquick. I drew a blank on it. Can you believe that? If it wasn't for my wife keeping me in line, I'd be out of line, you know what I mean? So, hey, let's get started and take a look at this and see what's going on. You ready? Well, today we're going to be making corn fritters with pancake mix. Now, more specifically, I'm going to be using some ready-made Bisquick pancake mix. I mean, you can actually do it from scratch. You can use just flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a little salt, and then make your own. But we're just going to use pancake mix today. We've got a little bit of buttermilk we're going to use. We're going to have 1 egg. We've got a can of corn drained, and then I've got some onion chopped up too. So let me get all this put together here, and we're going to make some corn fritters. Okay, well, we've got our pancake mix mixed up. Now, all we did basically, we took and chopped up, just about 1/4 of an onion, white onion. You can use any kind of onion you want. And I used about 1 cup of Bisquick, and I put a little salt and pepper in that. And also we had 1 egg that was beaten up, and then we put about a little less than a cup of buttermilk, and we mixed all that up together real good, and then we added our corn, and as you can see, we've got this all mixed up pretty good here, and so it's pretty thick. I mean, this is like a pancake mix. So we're going to go ahead and move over here to our griddle, and I've got my cast iron griddle all hot and everything, got some extra virgin olive oil on there. So we're going to just add a little bit of this onto our griddle, and we'll let these babies fry up here. Turn my heat back up just a little bit, and get me another one. Now, you can make them any size you want. You can make them several different ways actually. Some people deep fry them, some people fry them in a cast iron skillet, or you can actually even do them like I'm doing here on a griddle. And so we're going to make some pancake griddle corn fritters today. Now, we're going to let them brown up real good on the bottom, get a good little crust on them. Usually it takes about 2 minutes, so we'll let them cook down a little bit, and I'll come back to you here when we're ready to flip them and show you what it looks like. Okay, well, we got some browned up. I went ahead and flipped them, and you can see with that pancake mix, they actually, as you let them cook down a little bit, they look kind of like a pancake in a way, because they are in a sense, but it's just a mix. And you can see the corn in the fritter and everything. I went ahead and loaded up the griddle. We've got several on the griddle here, and we'll be letting these cook down a little bit more. Once they get brown, we'll flip those over. Once these ones that I already flipped over are ready, we'll pull them off, and I'll show you what those look like. Alright, well, we've got some pulled up here. We got a few more on the griddle, and we're going to take and let those cook down a little bit more, and we'll flip those over. But anyway, I just want to kind of show you what the finished product look like here. Those are corn fritters with pancake mix, and so we'll get these rest of these cooked up a little bit here, and we'll plate it up and show you what they look like. Well, alright, we've got them all fried up and griddled up and everything, but there you have it right there. There is corn fritters made with Bisquick with pancake mix, and boy, they sure are so fluffy. I mean, these are awesome right here. I'm going to try a little bit of that. Oh yeah. Man. That's really good. You could put butter on these, but you could put any kind of topping you want. You could put syrup or honey or whatever you like as a side dish. These are great with, just anything pretty much. So we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. Here you have it, corn fritters made from Bisquick pancake mix. Y'all have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron.